Hey guys, this will be the 6th grade worksheet, lesson 6. So we're going to start off by adding money. You can think of this as adding decimals, just regular decimals. So I'll do the first one for you guys. Sorry if my handwriting's messy. So 5 plus 8, that's 13, plus 6 is 19. Carry the 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 9 is 17, plus 2 is 19. Carry the 1. Now all these decimal points align, so you just put it in the same place over here. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 5 is 14. Carry the 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 6 is 14, plus 9 is 23. So your answer is going to be $234.99. I'll do another example for you guys. So let's try number 2. 81.96 plus 18.34 plus 30.36. So 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 6 is 16. Carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus another 3 is 16. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 8 is 10. Carry the 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10, plus 3 is 13. So your answer is going to be $130.66. Moving on to fractions with shaded regions. So over here you're given a circle with some areas that are shaded in. So in order to write the fraction of the shaded region, you want to count the number of shaded. So number of shaded over total. So the total amount of pieces. So let me simplify this for you guys. So let's say you have a pie and someone eats one slice. And the question is, what's the fraction of the eaten slices of pie? You would say one slice was eaten, which is this one over here, out of, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 slices of pie in total. So 1/4 of the slices were eaten, okay? So now let's try an example problem. So let's try number 1. Let me see if I could draw this well. Oh, okay. So, not the best drawing, but we'll work with it. So, there's 3 that are shaded. So we know 3 are shaded. Number is shaded at the top for the numerator. And now the total, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 total. So that means 3/7 of the circle is shaded. Let's try another one. Let's try number 6. So we have, sorry for the bad drawings. So 2 parts are shaded in. Now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 are shaded out of the 5, which means 2/5, which is your answer, of the circle is shaded. Not too hard. You guys can try the rest on your own. Now we have graphing. So you have to match the lettering or the letters with the coordinates. So remember that coordinates are written in x, y form. And in this graph, I'll just do an example graph. This would be the x, this would be the y. So let's say I were to give you the coordinate 1, 3. You would go 1, which is here, and then you would move up 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. So this point over here would be 1, 3. Okay? So let's try to do 4, 8. So number 2 over here. So 4 to the right, which is here, comma 8. So you have to go 8 up, which would be over here. Now once you find it, it would be C. So number 2 would be C. Pretty sure you guys get the gist of it. Oh, now let's try more graphing. So the same thing. So let's try to graph 7, 6 and 2, -2. Okay. So we have 7, 6, 2, -2. Okay. So in order to graph 2, -2, first we have the x over here. So x and y. So 2, -2. We move 2 to the right. And now we have the -2. So for negatives, for the y value, we would go down. And also it's labeled. So you can see that all these numbers over here, they have the negative sign. So you will know where to go. So you would go down 2. It would be this point right here. Now let's try 7, 6. So like before, 7 would be the x, which means you would go all the way to the right, 7, and you would go up 6, which is over here. All you have to do is match it. 7, 6 would be right here. So you guys could try the rest on your own. And there should be a hint somewhere. Oops. So once you connect all these dots, your hint over here, so it would look something like a bat. And you guys could color it if you want, just for fun. And that's about it. I'll see you guys next week.